በመቀጠል ተመራቂ አቢጌል ሀብተሃንስ ይመጽል ወድና አዶራይ ጳውሎስ በመጽል ወንደሊቃ ዶክተር አብያ አጼሮ መጽ በርማስ ሀቶ السعيد إلى نجاش السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام يوسف سولو Asihat Rasulullah Wintana Muhammad. Asihat Rasulullah Wadah Amaniyah. Islam Udana Yafet Dawid. Congratulations class 2025. Congratulations next focus Amaraki Muslimun with the Samuel Microphone Isana Kauru Avec Peter Hanfordana Alonso, our next program is for you to thank the family and friends and also state what all the school are going to. Thank you. Our next graduate is Douglas. Next one is Douglas Happy.
Thank you guys all for coming. We keep this short and sweet. I want to thank Youngman, Anna, Soul, everyone who made community fun. Thank you guys all for coming. Everyone who gave me a ride, got me food. Thank you guys. I want to thank my family. Abuba, Household, Legacy, Highland, Sunheart, L2, Michael, Luna. I know I might bother you guys, might stress you all a little bit, but I appreciate you guys all for being here. That's it. Thank you guys.
I want to start by thanking my grandparents, so Mama Hatta, Mama Hala, pag-ibigay ng kanila, nabulog. Secondly, mom, dad, I love you guys today for all your sacrifices and hard work to shape me to the man I am today. So I am so grateful for that. Brother Hafid, you bothered me a lot, but you helped me about our project, so thank you for that. Auntie Luta, Uncle Efra, you guys treated me like I was one of your own, so that meant a lot. Thank you for showing up today. I think this from Atlanta, so Daniel, Rashad, Ahmad, Sala, from Atlanta, thank you guys for showing up. It means a lot. Thank you. This is Chesona and Manya from London. That's a long trip, so thank you again. That means a lot. Let's see. I'm very blessed that I also have family that flew in today. So Auntie Lily, my cousins Alex and Josie, as well as Auntie Elsie, thank you for being here today at such short notice. It means a lot, and I'm blessed to call you guys family. And thank you to my friends in the corner over there. So Jack, Jeremy, Carl, Chris, and Aiden. I think I've asked to make better memories with them from high school, so thank you.
Can you also state what college you go to, what school?
Hello, are you ready? My name is Bado Emmanuel. I'll start my speech first. It's a little bit more lengthy. But if you've ever been a part of a community that has truly watched you grow, you know there were never the right words to express or celebrate who you are. First of all, thank you all for showing up today. I know the hill isn't the easiest to park on, but you guys made it work. But first off, I'm just genuinely so excited to share this next chapter of my life with you all. I want to start by thanking God, because without Him, none of this would be possible. To my parents, my mom, Leah, thank you for showing me what hard work and dedication looks like. If you didn't already know, a lot of my humor and charisma comes from her. So yeah, thank you. That's all her, really. Thank you for cooking this amazing food for us and everybody else who helped her. You guys did such an amazing job. To my dad, Amma, thank you for always being by my side. From the swim competitions, to when I used to be a professional singer under West Girls Club that none of you know about, but I was really good, to every school event in between, you never left me hanging. And I'll always be grateful for you forever in your debt. Literally. No, I'm just kidding. To my amazing cousins from Charlotte, Asir and Nagisha, my twin Eden, Arcega, Ariam, Isaac, and Rahani, thank you all for showing up. My family from Harrisburg, Lilian, Anhadu, thank you all for showing out and being here for me. To my amazing siblings, Selena, Dahala, Kadgad, you never fail to check me, humble me, laugh with me, or fight with me. I'm beyond grateful to have such a special, wonderful kind of siblings who helped me shape the person I am today. I truly would never have asked for a better pair of siblings. And last but not least, to the community, I owe you the deepest appreciation. You watched me grow from a tiny, trouble-eating little girl to the woman I am today. The love, encouragement, and support you poured into me, my family has truly been my fuel, my power source to keep me going, to succeed, and most importantly, to come back and give that same love right back. To Yosef, my incredible uncle who couldn't be here today, you're one of my greatest inspirations, and to my godparents, Fish and Hatas, thank you. That'll be all. Oh, in the fall, I'll be attending Northwestern studying finance.
Hi everyone, my name is Abigail, and I want to start off by thanking you all so much for being here and for celebrating this moment with all of us. I plan on applying to colleges in the fall to study history and English, ultimately in pursuit of a career in journalism. A big part of why I care about that is from the people that I've grown up with. So I want to thank my family, my little cousins, my friends, the community center I grew up in. I want to thank my Uncle Temesgen for his wisdom and guidance. And most of all, I want to thank my wonderful sister, Billian, who shaped more than anyone the core of who I am. Having grown up watching her treat people with care everything, has shaped the way I see the world and my place in it, and has made me want to do the same in how I live, in how I love, and how I live. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Thank you all for coming. My name is Adonai Paulos. This fall I'll be attending Wentworth Institute of Technology. I can't believe high school is already over. There's a lot I'm going to miss, like seeing my friends every day, laughing with them and getting through the school day together. And there's so much more I will not miss, like 90% of my classmates are waking up at 5 in the morning to get ready for school. I feel a little embarrassed saying this, but I cried a little bit after my last day of school, out of pride and happiness. The fact that I made it to this point in my life is so surreal to me, and not many people make it to this point. That's why I have to thank God for putting me in the position I am in today. I have to give all the glory to God, because without Him nothing is possible. I remember my sophomore year, I was struggling with my classes, and I felt hopeless. I prayed every night to the Lord to guide me through this storm, and I can happily say He has answered my prayers. Next, I want to thank my friends, Jonathan and Adnan, for being here, and the Medco company. I didn't go to school in Boston. I went to school in a town called Walpole. When I first came into Walpole, I was a shy young black boy who struggled to fit into a white majority crowd. Without my friends, high school would have been so much harder to go through. And without Medco, I would not have had the voice I've been able to project among my white peers. Now I'd like to thank the Arizona community. Thank you all for being here and supporting us. I spent a lot of time getting to know a lot of you, whether it be meeting people in the Baldwin Center, playing basketball with my friends, and trying my best to dance as well as all of you community. Lastly, I want to thank my family, who I love so much. I want to thank my older cousins, my Zebby, my big sister, in my opinion, for setting an example for me to follow since I was young. I want to thank all my uncles and my aunts, like my auntie Rahel, and my cousins Yafet and Rafu, who came all the way here from Sweden to support me. Believe me when I tell you guys, in 4 years, when you graduate high school, I will be there to celebrate with you. And my brothers, Odell and Aaron, I love you both so much, even though I may not say it. Whenever I'm with you guys, I'm either guaranteed to laugh my butt off, or you might as well just piss me off to the magic brother. I'm proud of you both so much for the people you've become today, and I can't wait to see your life takes you. And last but not least, my mother and father. For the past 17 years, going on 18, you have guided, protected, and supported me as best as you can. You've taught me what it means to be a man and showed me how to be a proud Eritrean. Every day I always aim to make both of you proud, and I'm forever indebted to both of you. There is an old saying that I thought of when I was writing this speech. You may know it. It goes like this. It takes a village to raise a child. Without this community, I am not the person who I am today. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, and congratulations to the class of 2025.
Hello, my name is Abigail Masai, and I graduated from Melbourne High School. Over the past 17 years, my parents have continuously made countless amounts of sacrifices to provide me and my brother with The hardships they went through to give me a better life is something that I'll always be thankful for. Abuloy, thank you for encouraging me in school and pushing me to perform my best in everything I pursue. Thank you for teaching me about Eritrea, our culture, and my religion. I beg. Thank you for always supporting me in and outside of school and making sure someone's always there for me no matter what. My brother Gabriel, thank you for always being the smartest person I know and motivating me to do well academically. Uncle Abraham and Auntie Adeline, thank you for the amount of support and fostering my love for reading and learning. My aunt Tagadagasai, thank you for acting as my mother, my grandmother, and my aunt, and thank you for contributing to my childhood and raising me with the most amount of love and care. Thank you to the Eritrea Community Center for coaching us the basketball game, and thank you to the church for the Sunday classes that strengthened my faith. And thank you so much to my Uncle Teke, my family members, my aunts, my uncles, my cousins, and my parents for your endless support and encouragement. As I did, it could not have been possible without you all. In the fall, I'll be studying administration at Northeastern.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. I'm glad everybody could make it out tonight. It was a really good celebration. My name is Joseph Solomon. Graduated from Cambridge Regional Latin High School, and I'll be studying mechanical engineering at Worcester Polytechnic Institute on the fall. My thing is also in the so bear with me. Maybe not as long as the preceding. The transition from high school to college for many people is the most pivotal moment in their lives. It's really the biggest sign of the transition from childhood to adulthood, to gaining all sorts of responsibilities, being responsible for your education. It's natural to be fearful of this change. It's natural to feel intimidation, like I do on the stage. But when it comes to college, I'm really not intimidated at all. I'm not fearful, and it's because of the support and the love, the guidance that I've already gathered from everyone here in this room and everybody outside of this room in this really strong community. So I'm really thankful to have all of you with me today. To my family members, right over there, my parents, my uncles and my aunts, Salam, Nene, Musse, Usman, Tekle, Mimi, and my grandmother. Oh my God. I've got friends in the back too. I'm really thankful for all of you guys for supporting me and sticking with me through thick and thin for many years. Solomon Mahadi, I saw you here, you probably didn't see me. I'm thankful for you, for helping run the community, especially when I was younger. I wasn't there every day, but when I was, I thought it was really nice to be able to socialize, to play basketball. Eritrean youth, met some wonderful people that I'm really glad to. And supported me and definitely made me a better person. So thank you, class of 2025. I have plenty of family here, especially family from across the border. I have Uncle Solomon from Canada over there.